What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be doing an everyday skincare routine. Now, I'm going to be using the MICHEAL TODD Soniclear Petite. I want to thank the people at MICHEAL TODD for sending me the Soniclear Petite brush and also the Gentle Daily Cleanser. And they also sent me a pumpkin face mask that I won't be using in this video, but I do use a face mask every week, at least once a week. So I'm going to go in with the Soniclear all over my face. I'm just going to be going over my face for about 30 seconds to a minute. I'm going to really concentrate on my beard area, just to like lift the hairs up and to make it easier for my razor blade to cut through it and to get a nice, clean, smooth shaven face. After that, I'm just gonna rinse it off and dry, and then I'm gonna apply the shaving cream, and I'm just gonna shave my face, do my whole little shaving routine. Everybody's shaving routine is different. So here we go with the Gillette aftershave lotion. If you are not using an aftershave after you shave, please start doing it, because this is going to prevent razor bumps, this is going to prevent irritation, and believe me, you do not want your face to be scratching 2 hours after you shave. So after that, I'm going to go in with the COS RX AHA BHA Toner. AHAs and BHAs are really good at lightening up dark spots. Hyperpigmentation is my main concern, so I've just been searching around looking for products to help out with that. I'm going in with the Equate Beauty Moisturizing Lotion. It's very cheap and you get a lot, and I'm going to be mixing it in with this COS RX CCC Lightening Liquid. Vitamin C is very good at lightening dark spots and helping with hyperpigmentation. And I just take 3 drops of that and I mix it in with my moisturizer, and I make sure to rub it in, just because if I don't rub in my moisturizer all the way, my skin tends to get oily. So I make sure just to rub it in like really good. The last step is this Missha Safe Block Sunscreen. This has an SPF of 45 and a PA+++. I don't know what PA++ means. I really don't know. It seems like it's a really good thing. So yeah, this sunscreen is really good if you are a person of color and you're looking for the right sunscreen, because all the sunscreens give you this white cast, and also sunscreens, they irritate my skin and they make me look oily. But with this one, it's just perfect. It doesn't make my skin oily at all. It actually mattifies my skin. Sunscreen is a very, very good investment if you want to prevent signs of aging like wrinkles, and also if you're somebody like me who has hyperpigmentation and you don't want it to get worse, you need to apply sunscreen so that those dark spots don't get any darker. So that's it for this video, you guys. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below if you guys have any other products you guys want me to try out. And if you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.